Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing good and spending quality and constructive time at home. So I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today, being a recipe video, we'll be making an extremely easy recipe, a beetroot hummus. So let's get started with making that.
So first here I'm going to take a cup of chickpeas and soak them in water. And we're going to let this sit for 8 hours or overnight. So after 8 hours, I'm going to rinse the water. And now I'm going to pressure cook these chickpeas with some Himalayan pink salt. So I'm going to let the chickpeas pressure cook until the first whistle, and then I'm going to let them simmer on low for around 15 minutes. And our chickpeas are now nice and done. So next, in a blender, I'm going to add the boiled chickpeas, followed by 2 large beetroots, boiled and skinned, a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika, juice of 1.5 lemon, around 6 cloves of garlic, around half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and around half to 3/4 cup of water. And now we shall blend all of this together. And our fuchsia pink colored beetroot hummus is done. Such a beautiful color. So next, for the garnish, I'm going to take a few boiled chickpeas that I had reserved from the chickpeas that I had boiled earlier, and I'm going to deep fry them until they're a little crispy, and we can remove it. So next, I have transferred the beetroot hummus in a pretty bowl, and I shall be serving it with some roasted whole wheat lavash. We can even out the hummus with the back of a spoon here and create a pattern if you like. We can further garnish it with some fried chickpeas, some black olives, some toasted sesame seeds, and some fresh parsley chopped. You can also go ahead and add a dash of extra virgin olive oil here if you like. And our pretty pink beetroot hummus is done. It looks so pretty.
Let's taste. The sweetness of the beetroot with the cumin makes the hummus even more tasty and interesting. You guys must try this recipe out and let me know in the comments what you think of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, this video. If yes, please go ahead and like it, subscribe to my channel. Do press the notification bell icon and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. And until next time, stay safe.